machines like JCBs, excavators, etc. to move objects and lift and dig heavy objects. This project, science behind this project is the Pascal's law. Pressure applied to a confined liquid is transmitted equally in all directions. This materials used in this project is 8 syringes, which is used as hydraulic setup, some rubber tubes to connect these syringes, cardboards to give the shape for it, some barbecue sticks, a cola can to make this bucket, and so on. The project works like this. First we should pull this arm. This have 4 parts. This is the base, this is the broom, this is the arm and bucket. First we should pull the arm up, then pull the bucket, reduce the height of the broom, now start digging. Now turn, and we are going to put it down.